All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house. And welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I'm in the house with the MKM Goccia here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. You know what? You can also check out fablades.com or at Fablades on Instagram and see what is up there. So let's see. We're going to need 1, 2 screwdrivers. Who knows? Let's check it out. For sure, we're going to need a T8 to tackle this pivot, which is spinning, but yeah, I probably won't need 2 screwdrivers, and that's a good thing. So this guy can go. One pivot is coming out. Let me see if I can push this fella safely out from this side. Yeah, looks like so. The color is coming out. That is good. And then we have a T6 Torx bit needed for the handle. So just change the bit, grab your T6 and gently take the handle apart. So I'm gonna do from, yeah, probably doesn't matter. We're gonna start from the lock side. And this guy, let's see. Oh, there's even one here, which I'm assuming is the last one because the second clip screw is not going to be structural, correct? Let's see. Let's take this apart. Okay, so the inset lock just came off. Oh, and this, it's hinged. Ah, that's interesting. You see, like this little, very little piece. Okay, you got the back spacer. This is a nice Anso design, of course. I like his stuff. I always want to try like a Monte Carlo, but like a custom one. Kind of expensive, but might happen. And let's just grab like one of these alcohol swabs and clean it up. This is the Goccia MKM Maniago, Italy. Oh yeah, and I believe this is M390 still, right, guys? M390, yeah. It's a nice one. This was from Epic Snuggle Bunny. So I always wanted to check this out, and I'm like, yeah, why not? Let's try it. And also you can check out his channel. He's a pretty cool guy. Nice channel. So, all right, we got the back spacer all cleaned up. You can see that Mikita is making the back spacer. And it's interesting that they have to write it down. Probably it's like a contract thing. All right, clean the inside over here. These 2 screws are from the handle, and that is the inset lock, which is all right. And we're pretty much good to go, guys, so let's do it. Pivot collar came out from show side, from lock side, and boom, it's gonna be back in place. And then we're gonna have to do the inset now with the bearings here, a little bit of lube, like 1, 2, and 3, and 1 for the pivot. And then we got our blade in, just dry it out. Here you go. That's nice. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. And the bearing is in, hardened spacer is there, so 1 for the detent ball. And then I think we are in business. We can close this thing. Here you go. I'm actually liking the inset lock, guys. It leaves the knife pretty clean. It's a good lock. I'm digging it. I got also a, what is it, MBK Mini Old Guard titanium inset lock, which I loved it together with this. So it's like a pattern, maybe, I don't know. And that's the second handle screw, which is in place. don't over tighten that, there's no need. Just checking the other side, which I didn't touch. That's all right. And this screw here, which is nicely flush with the pocket clip. See, it's not gonna snag any of your fabric on the oh, and here we're gonna need the T8 instead for the pivot, which is good, better than T6 for sure. And let's just crank this guy down. And blade is centered. And actually, there's a little bit of wheezing. So push button, it's not gonna work. Only light switch. It is lubed, there's still some whizzing. There is like a nice detent ball ramp. It's smooth actually, guys. Like, you see, you gotta give it a little nudge, but yeah, not too shabby, right? So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.